Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Now let's talk about some money, right? Okay, lots of people struggle with credit. And credit really is your key from a person that's poor to transform into a person that's not poor. The biggest conduit in most cases is they have access to capital. And how do you get access to capital? You get it with credit. All right, so what do you do if your credit is just non-existent? How do you get started? So many places will not give you credit because you've never had any credit. You know what? I got something for you. In this two-part series, I'm going to highlight two companies that you can go get some credit right now, even if you don't have any credit. All right, so let's jump right into the first one. This is the Pedal credit card. And the Pedal credit card motto is welcome to credit, no experience necessary. I think that's great, right? So look, they're saying they're going to give you some credit even if you don't have any credit. Well, how are they going to do that? That's easy. They're going to do it just like this. Pedal was created to help more people access and build credit using data that many of us already have in our personal banking history. With this data, they can evaluate your creditworthiness using what they call an intrusive lens, the cash score. So basically, instead of using a FICO score, because there is no credit inquiry done to qualify with this card, they're going to access your public banking data records. So if you're a person that has established a history with a bank, a good history at that, it's a great chance that you are going to be approved, even if you have no credit history whatsoever. Now, of course, the terms for something like this may not be as favorable as a traditional credit card, but let's take a look at it because, hey, some credit beats no credit when you're trying to start and basically build from zero. So here's a comparison of the two cards that they are currently offering. So with the Pedal One card, it has no annual fee, which I'm a big fan of, right? It does have some cashback options, and it's basically at select retailers and select merchants. So it may be things like a local oil change place or certain restaurants or certain retailers where you may buy apparel. So they have options there where you could earn cash back somewhere between 2 and 10%. The credit limits go between $300 all the way up to $5,000, and that's not bad. You know, no credit and getting a card that you could actually build up to $5,000, that's not too bad. The APR is a little higher than normal. It's going to be anywhere from about 24.5 to almost 34%. The Pedal Rise, which is their other card, has an annual membership fee of $59. So I'm not a fan of membership fees, but $59, that averages $5 a month. It's not out of this world insane, right? 59 bucks a year. Okay. Cashback, same deal, 2 to 10% on certain retailers and merchants. Credit limit starts as low as $500, goes up to $3,500, and it has a variable APR between 27 and 34%. Now I know that those aren't the most favorable terms as far as getting credit, but remember, if you have no credit whatsoever, those are great terms because someone is saying, we're going to give you credit. Now here's something else that does come with that card. You're going to be able to build your credit without having to do it through a secured card where you have to use your own money per se. So you'll get the credit card with all of the features of a traditional credit card that has a major logo on it, being Visa or MasterCard. And they're also going to report to all three credit bureaus. So these payments that you're making in this history that you're building is going to report to all three credit bureaus. And that is huge because that will enable you to be able to transition from a card like this to traditional credit cards where you'll even be able to get bigger limits and more access to more products, access to more capital, and access to more features. Now, how are you going to get it? They actually have a pre-qualified application on the website. I'm going to put it up right here, right now. and it's very basic, and it's basically going to ask you for email address, your first last name. It's going to also include some things like your income, your social security number, or if you are not a citizen, this is also a bonus. You can use your ITIN number if you are not a U.S. citizen. So you don't have to be a citizen to apply for this card. It also has no foreign transaction fees. So all in all, guys, I say go for it. If you don't have credit and you're looking to build some credit, check this card out, okay? So look, hope you got something out of that. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell right now so you'll know when videos like this are dropping. YouTube says that this is the next video that you should watch. So make sure you obey that and check out that video that YouTube is recommending. Until I come back with my next video, guys, I'm out of here, but I'll catch you soon. 100% gone.